We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
40 to 50 hours. When fully wound, most automatic watches can run for 40 to 50 hours. Some high-end models can run for days or even weeks. Any modern automatic watch with a movement in good working condition can run for at least 38 hours. This is the minimum power reserve that you will find on pretty much every watch out there.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.